for Netcat, it's to grab the banner. And what I mean by grabbing the banner, whenever you try to connect to an open port on another machine that has a service, it will display some information about the service. And this can be very helpful for any hacker to identify the product or the software that is running on this machine and try to find a vulnerability. Let me give you a small example. Assume that I scanned the Windows machine from my Kali Linux machine, and I noticed that they have port 21 open. We'll talk about scanning later on, but the point is, assume that I have this piece of information, and I know that port 21 usually is used for FTP. So I need to know what product or what FTP service or software they are using, so I can start searching for any weakness or vulnerability. So I can type that nc netcat and then the Windows IP, which is 1.109, and then the port 21. So I'm asking him to connect to this specific computer through port 21 that I know that it's open. And once I don't need to have a username and password, because what happens is whenever he tries to connect to the port, a banner will be showing. It's telling you welcome to Ability Server 2.3.2. So just by doing that, I know now that the Windows machine has this server with this version, so I can start search for any vulnerability related to such service. While if I didn't do that, I know that he got an FTP server running, except I don't know what product he's using or which version he's using. So this is called a banner grabbing. It's not requesting, or it doesn't need any username or password. You just try to connect using Netcat, and from the banner you can get some useful information as you saw.